What's up everybody, it's that guy Skimpy. Hey, I recently made a video making tubes and the tube jig, and I've been getting some texts and some messages and emails asking what the different strands look like in the water. So I figured I'm gonna make a test tank video. So yeah, we have an 18 strand, a 15 strand, and a 6 squiggly strand tube. Those are the three splines that Do It Molds offers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them in the test tank, and then we get to see what each one looks like in the water. All right, guys, that guy's Skimpy. Okay, so the first one is the standard spline. It's 18 strands. Okay, here is the 6 strand squiggly. And this is the 15 strand. They call it the spike spline. You might not be able to tell, but the strands are about 1/4 of an inch shorter than the standard 18 strand. Okay, so there they are, side by side. The middle one is the standard 18 strand. The one on the left is the spike 15. And then the squiggly 6 is on the right. So it looks like the standard and the squiggly are about the same length. And the spike 15 is a little bit shorter, like I said, maybe 1/4 inch. Alright guys, so there you have it. That's the 3 different tubes, the 3 different splines, what they look like in the water. Hopefully you liked the video, hopefully you learned something. yeah, I appreciate all the support, you know, all the likes, shares, comments, subs, all that, man. I super appreciate it, man. Big shout out to Do It Molds. All right, guys, that guy Skimpy, please subscribe.